Alright, C5 Corvette. Let's say you just replace your compressor or condenser and it didn't come with bag oil already in it. I'm going to show you how to add it real quick. Pag 150. So what you want to do is get one of these little tools. Get the Schrader valve, unscrew it from in here. Take that out. Boom. Get your vacuum pump. Hook it up to right here. Ignore the high side. We're going to be pulling through the high side. You want to connect this right here. Open that valve. Open this valve. Turn your pump on. Open this up right here. Get a rubber tube. Put it in there. And then you want to put that tube in this hole, and you'll be able to hear bag oil get drawn in. So you do this, put it in there, and you should hear it get drawn in. I already added it, so I don't want to add any more. Yeah. So you do it.